can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin SUI. Over the last 1 week, SUI is up 63%. Over the last 1 month, SUI is up 36%. On a yearly time frame, SUI has seen a 175% increase. The altcoin market has been bubbling. The last 1 week has seen double-digit gains across the board. SUI is one of the biggest gainers. We'll take a look at SUI's performance against the US dollar. Are we gearing up to pump to new all-time highs? How high can SUI possibly go over the next few days and the next few weeks? We look at SUI's valuation against Bitcoin, SUI's valuation against Ethereum, which currently is at the new all-time highs, and then we look at SUI's market cap, which currently is over $1 billion. SUI's market cap sits around $11.18 billion. Can we continue pumping to new all-time highs? Can SUI set new all-time highs on US dollar pairing? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 1 week has seen all coins pumping aggressively, double-digit gains across the board. Altcoin market is very volatile. We have seen a huge dump over the last 90 days, but the last 1 week has shown us that even though we can dump to Goblin Town, we can easily start pumping to the moon at any point in time. We saw SUI getting to an all-time highs in January of 2025 when it traded for as high as $5.33. Since then, SUI started dumping to Goblin Town, losing around 68% of its value, dumping to as low as $1.78. But that's not something to run home and cry about. That's something regular in the cryptocurrency markets. We see that all the time. We've seen it in SUI before. After SUI was launched in May of 2023, we saw SUI dumping to Goblin Town, losing 74% of its value. But then volatility works in both ways. So SUI also pumping aggressively to the moon, pumping by around 478% before SUI again give us another huge dump to Goblin Town. Volatility works in both directions, guys. If we are pumping aggressively to the upside, know that at some point in time in the future, we can dump aggressively to Goblin Town, and a 70% dump in the cryptocurrency market is nothing to write home about. But then, after the 70% dumps, we always see this kind of huge moves to the upside where SUI rallied up by 1,000%. The $1 million question is, right now, is SUI planning to rally up 1,000%? We have seen SUI dump to as low as that $1.78 level. I'll not be shocked if over the next few days we see SUI continue this rally to the upside. Right now, SUI is up 96% from the bottom. Don't get carried away, guys. It's always exciting when we see green candles in the cryptocurrency market. But remember, you want to buy low, you want to sell high, you want to buy when sentiment is down in the cryptocurrency market. The last 60 days I've seen sentiment go very extreme. We saw market participants get very extreme, lower than they were in the bottom of the previous bear market. But right now, slowly but surely, greed is returning back to the cryptocurrency market. After extreme fear, we're going to see extreme greed at some point in time. Right now, we're just in greed, and I'll not be shocked if SUI eventually sets new all-time highs. But let's not put all our eggs in that basket of SUI setting new all-time highs. Remember, guys, nothing is guaranteed in the cryptocurrency market right now. For SUI to set new all-time highs, we need to rally above the $5.38 level from where SUI is currently trading. It needs to pump by about 50%, which can happen overnight. If we take a look at SUI's performance against the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, the last 1 week has seen SUI strongly outperform Bitcoin. It had this time where it's pumping against Bitcoin, that had this time where it's dumping against Bitcoin, and right now it's pumping against Bitcoin. We realize over time, when the market is very volatile, when the market is exciting, when market participants get greedy, all coins start outperforming Bitcoin, and SUI is one of those altcoins that have done great for itself over the last 2 years. When the market was dumping, we saw SUI dumping harder than Bitcoin, losing 74% of its value. But when the market came back, we saw SUI also outperforming Bitcoin by 180%. We saw SUI outperforming Bitcoin again in 2024 by more than 493%. And even though I've been dumping to Goblin Town over the last few weeks, even though we have seen SUI lose around 50% of its value against Bitcoin in the first 3 months of 2025, this relief rally looks as if it's going to be the rally to take us into new all-time highs. For SUI to get to new all-time highs against Bitcoin, we need to rally up by more than 48%, which is very, very possible. For SUI to get to new all-time highs on its dollar pairing, it also needs a 48% pump to the upside, which can happen very, very quickly. And if you look at SUI's performance against Ethereum, it has already rallied to new all-time highs. Ethereum has not been performing greatly over the last few months. So even though the market was dumping, SUI was holding on strong against Ethereum. And right now, SUI is pumping. It's currently at the new all-time highs against Ethereum. But guys, remember, it's not always good times like this. At some point in time in future, this could turn for the worse. At some point in time in future, we could see SUI dumping aggressively to Goblin Town. Right now, SUI is showing some bearish divergence on its chart against Ethereum. So over the last few months, from July 2024, SUI has been rallying against Ethereum. Right now, it's up by more than 832%. But remember, nothing goes up forever. At some point in time in future, we're going to see SUI dumping aggressively to Goblin Town. But right now, we're going up in the right direction. Right now, SUI is pumping, possibly even setting new all-time highs. SUI trading around $3.43 level, has a market cap of $11 billion with 24-hour trading volume of $3.15 billion. Fully diluted market cap for SUI sits at 3.4. Fully diluted market cap for SUI sits at $34.34 billion, and will have circulating supply of 3.24 billion SUI tokens. The all-time low for SUI happened on the 19th of October 2023. The all-time high happened on the 6th of January 2025. If you want to get some SUI for yourself, you can get it on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some SUI right there. Right now, SUI is outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the US dollar. If you look at SUI's market cap, currently at the $11.3 billion level. I'll not be shocked if SUI's market cap attempts to pump to new all-time highs. But at the same time, guys, watch out very, very closely. We could easily see a fake out. We could easily see SUI's market cap hit that all-time high, and huge reversal will be along the way. We have a very, very strong candle from the bottom, and this looks like a big relief rally going right now. The big relief rally that's happening in the altcoin market. SUI from the bottom has gone from a market cap of around $4.5 billion to a market cap of around $11 billion. SUI is up around 100% from the bottom. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, guys. Do you think SUI will be setting new all-time highs on its market cap chart? Do you think SUI will be setting new all-time highs on its US dollar pairing? We've seen it set new all-time highs against Ethereum. Can it set new all-time highs against Bitcoin? Are you buying more SUI right now? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.